have already discussed different operators like arithmetic operator, using which we can perform arithmetic operations. We have discussed relational operator, using which we can establish or verify the relation between two variables. We have discussed assignment operator, using which we can assign value to a particular variable, as well as we have discussed different types of bitwise operator, using which we can perform different bitwise operations like AND, OR, XOR, NOT, etc. And also we have discussed conditional operator, using which depending on a condition we can execute different statements. So from here we will start today. That in conditional operator, what I have said, that there will be a condition, now depending on this condition we will execute either the true statement, or if the condition is false we will execute the false statement. Now here the question is that here we are applying a particular condition. Now it may happen the true statement or the false statement execution is depending on multiple conditions, not only one condition. As already we have shown that if we want to decide if a number is even or odd, that we can decide from one condition. But there are several situations, several problems are there in which we have to take the decision depending on multiple conditions. I am giving an example. For example, we will decide that if a student or there is a section cutoff in your examination. So what will happen? We will decide two groups are there. Group A and Group B. Now in Group B it is a 50 marks exam, and Group B also, for example, it is a 50 marks exam. Now if you qualify in Group A, that means qualifying marks is, for example, 20, that is the qualifying marks. In Group B also, for example, the qualifying marks is 20. Okay. So now if your score is greater than equal to 20 in Group A and also greater than equal to 20 in Group B, then you will qualify. Then the student will qualify. If I score, so here either you are qualifying or not, that is depending on two conditions. One condition, you have to score more than 20 in Group A, or another is you have to also score more than 20 in Group B also. Then so qualification or the qualifying condition is 2 here. This is condition 1, this is condition 2. So in this situation we cannot decide the student is qualified or not depending on one condition. We have to satisfy both the conditions. We have to check both the conditions. So here is that situation where we are deciding depending on multiple conditions. Okay. So what we will do in this case, here we have to merge this condition. So the statement will be like similar, no problem. So it will be condition is there. Condition is there. Now depending on the condition, either the true statement will execute and the false statement will execute. Here we have two conditions. Condition 1 and condition 2. So this true statement will be executing depending on two conditions. False statement is also executing depending on two conditions. So here we have to merge these two conditions to convert it into one condition. We have to merge these two conditions to convert it into one condition. For that we use another operator that is called logical operator. That is called logical operator. So this is my logical operator. Now how we will do it? I will show you. So basically two types of logical operator is there. One is called logical AND operator, another one is called logical OR operator. This is logical AND operator and this is our logical OR operator. This is AND and this is OR operator. Okay. So what logical AND is saying? Logical AND means whenever the condition will be treated, the ultimate condition will be treated as true condition if both the condition that we are applying is true, and in case of OR, if any of the condition is true. I am giving example. Just the previous example. Okay, group A and group B. For example, my marks in group A is 24 and in group B is 15. Okay, qualifying marks in group A is 20, qualifying marks in group B is also 20. Okay, so from there, here you can see the student who have scored 24 in group A, that means it is greater than 20, so it is qualified in group A. But in group B, my score is 15, that is less than 20. So that is non-qualified. So in group A I have qualified, in group B I have not qualified. Now the condition of the qualification, ultimate qualification is that we have to qualify in both the groups. We have to qualify in both the groups. Okay, that means both the condition we have to satisfy. In that case, we are using logical AND, where we have to satisfy both the condition to qualify. And in case of logical OR, if I just change the situation, I am saying that if a student will qualify if he qualify in any of these group, that means a student need not to qualify in both the group. If a student qualify in group A and not qualifying in group B, then also the student will be qualified. Then we can use logical OR, where we have to satisfy only one condition to become ultimate true condition, to convert it into ultimate true condition. Again, in a summary, two condition is there. If we have to satisfy both the condition, then it is logical AND, and if we have to satisfy any of this condition, then it is called logical OR. I will explain with truth table of logical AND and OR also. That will be much more simpler than this. So AND, so we draw the truth table for AND gate. So there is a truth table for AND gate 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Now if I say 0 is treated as false and non-zero, that is 1, that is treated as true. So 0 means false and 1 means true. So in this truth table, just let me replace the zeros with F and the 1 with T, that is true. Okay, so I will just replace the 1 in this truth table with true and the zeros with false, that is F. So if I do so, it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. So here you can see this output is basically representing the ultimate output of the condition. Now this is condition 1, this is the condition 2. This is my condition 1 and this is my condition 2. Okay, and this is the output, ultimate condition. So if condition 1 is false, condition 2 is false, then ultimately it will be treated as false. So condition 1 and condition 2, both the condition is false, then ultimately it will be treated as false. If condition 1 is false but condition 2 is true, condition 1 is false but condition 2 is true, then also it will be false. Then also it will be false. And if condition 1 is true but condition 2 is false, then it will be treated as false. So it will be only true when both the condition will be true. That means condition 1 is true, condition 2 is also true. Then it will be treated as ultimate a true condition. Otherwise, it will always be a false condition. It is in case of AND that I was saying, when both the condition will be true, then the ultimate condition will be true. If any of the condition is false, then it will not be treated as a true condition. Okay. So for example, in group A, my score is X, and in group B, my score is Y. In group A, my score is X, in group B, my score is Y. So if the value of X is greater than or equal to 20, that means I will qualify. And as well as if the value of Y is also greater than or equal to 20, then it will qualify. So when the value of X is greater than or equal to 20, this is a qualifying marks. When the value of Y is also greater than 20, it is also a qualifying marks. Now we have to merge these two conditions. So to merge these two conditions, in between these two conditions, we will just place the logical AND operator. Logical AND operator. So we have merged the condition by using logical AND operator. Now here we are providing the question marks, then printf qualified, okay, then the colon, after that colon we will place the false statement, that is printf not qualified. So that is the way how we can use this, by using the logical AND operator. Now here the rule is that if the value of X is greater than 20, greater than or equals to 20, and the value of Y is also greater than 20, then it will qualify. For example, the value of X is 25, that I was giving the example, and the value of Y is equals to 15. The value of Y is equals to 15. That means here you can see the first condition will be true, because the value of X is greater than 20, X is 25, which is greater than 20, and the value of Y is 15. So this condition is false. So the first condition is true and the second condition is false. So from the truth table, just what we have shown, that if both the condition is true, then we can consider it as a true statement. If any condition is true, another condition is false, we cannot consider it as a true statement in case of logical AND. So it will be non-qualified. It will be non-qualified. Okay. Just if I replace this AND operator by using logical OR now, if I replace this AND operator by using logical OR, it will be just opposite. Logical OR is saying that, as you all know the truth table of logical OR, it will be like this. It will be like this, that if this is condition 1, this is condition 2. If condition 1 is false, condition 2 is false, then it will be ultimately considered as a false condition. Otherwise, always it will be true. If any of the condition, here you can see condition 1 is false, but condition 1 is true, then also it will be a true condition. Just opposite, condition 1 true, condition 2 false, then also it will be a true condition. And if both are true, then obviously it will be a true condition. So that is the rule of logical OR. So as per this truth table of logical OR, if I place logical OR operator here, you can see the value, same value you are using. The value of x is 25, which is greater than 20, that means true, and the value of y is equals to 15, which is less than 20, that means the condition is false. So here one condition is true, another condition is false, but it will be considered as qualified. It will be considered as qualified, that means it will be considered as true. That is the difference between logical and logical OR. Where in logical AND, if we are merging multiple conditions with logical AND operator, then all the condition has to be true to become or to execute the true statement. And in case of logical OR, if we are merging multiple conditions, if any of the condition is true, then it will execute the true statement. So that is the difference between logical AND and logical OR operator.
So here is the example of logical AND operator. So in this program what we have done, I have taken three value as a input, A, B and C, and I want to find out that the value of A is largest or not. The value of A is largest or not. So what I have done, the value of A and B and C I have taken as a input. Now what is the condition of A being largest is that A has to be greater than B and A has to be greater than C. If the value of A is greater than B as well as the value of A is greater than C, then we can consider A as the largest number. So that's why these two conditions, A greater than B and A greater than C, these are the two conditions. A has to be greater than B and A has to be greater than C. So these two conditions we have merged using AND operator, because to be the largest, A has to satisfy both the conditions. It has to satisfy both the conditions. So this is my true statement block, A is largest, and the false statement block I have written A is not largest. So here if I run the program, build and run the program, so I will enter two value, first 15, 10 and 12. Okay, so the value of A is 15, B is 10, C is 12. So it is printing 15 is largest. So what is happening here, it will verify the condition that 15 is greater than 10 as well as 15 is greater than 12. So both the condition is true, that's why it is printing % is largest. Now if I change the output, where the value of A is 12, 10 and 15. So value of A is 12, value of B is 10 and value of C is 15. So what will happen? Here it is printing 12 is not largest. Why? Because here this condition is true, that you can see A is greater than B, 12 is greater than 10, but A greater than C, this condition is false, 12 is not greater than 15. So that's why it is printing the false statement block. So when both the condition was true, it was printing this true statement block, and when both any of the condition is false, then it is printing the false statement block. So that is logical AND. Using logical AND we can merge two condition, and if both the condition is true, then ultimately it will be treated as a true condition. So now here example of logical OR operator. So here we have taken two subject, marks 1 and marks 2, marks 1 and marks 2, and a student will be qualified if a student can qualify in any of the subject, need not to qualify in both the subject. If the student qualify in both, then also it will be qualified, and if a student can qualify in any of these two, then also it will be treated as a qualified subject. So that's why here we have used the logical OR operator. Logical OR means if marks 1 is greater than 40, greater than equal to 40, but marks 2 is not, then also it will be treated as a true condition. Okay, so in that way two condition is there. This is condition number 1, this is condition number 2, and that I have merged by using this logical operator. This is a logical operator. Okay, and this is true statement, false statement. So let us build and run the program. So here, so I will show two scenario. First, let us assume that marks 1 is 45 and marks 2 is 30. Okay, so that means this condition is true and this condition is false. This condition is true and this condition is false. So it will be qualified. So there it is qualified. Okay. Now again let us run the program. So here we considered just the opposite. So the first condition is false, the second condition is true. Now the first condition is false, second condition is true. So then also it will be true statement block will get executed. Okay, so ultimate, if any of this condition is false, it is treated as a true condition. And the last and final one that I want to show you is that if both the condition is false, then what will happen? 24 and 30. So here both the condition is, both the marks is less than 40. Okay, so it will be not qualified. That means now the first statement block get executed. So as the difference we see in a logical AND and logical OR, both are merging two condition, but if this condition is true and this condition is also true, then it will be logical AND, and if any of this condition is true, then it will be treated as that can be done by using logical OR operator.